secure all loose articles. If you happen to drop something from the tram, please do not attempt to retrieve it.
I'm going to ride that thing multiple times.
And we will be able to assist you. Please remain seated at all times while the tram is in motion, keeping all body parts inside the tram. If you are unable to board the tram, please step behind the white safety line so that this tram may pull away safely. Thank you.
All small children who are unable to touch the tram floor, they have to be seated in the middle of the seating floor.
The Emelin. Hard to believe that ride's 19 years old. It's a 19-year-old ride, man. It's thrilling people like crazy. I can't see anymore, man. Why are we not moving anywhere?
Please remain seated or stand behind the white safety line. This tram is now departing. Once again, please stand clear. We are now departing. Welcome aboard the Busch Gardens courtesy tram. For your safety, please remain seated at all times, keeping all body parts in the tram, and please secure any loose articles.
At this moment, we're leaving tram stop 1. Tram stop 1, serve in lot C, D, and E. Welcome to Busch Gardens courtesy tram. My name is Luis. Our driver's name is Joe.
Montu. Hello, folks on Montu.
I want to remind you that Busch Gardens will be open until 6 o'clock this afternoon. Our last week to main entry will be at 6 o'clock. I want you to keep
what's that weird noise
inside the tram
over the engine?
Smoking at this tram or any tram ever. If you drop anything from the tram, just try to retrieve it. I will be more than glad to stop the tram, pick it up and give it back to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until we have come to a full and complete stop. At that time, please gather all personal belongings and please watch your head and step as you exit to the driver's right-hand side only. Once again, please remain seated until the tram has come.
My last video, I made a video of a tram ride already, but it has over 100 views.
We're approaching the main entrance. Please remain seated until the tram comes to a completed stop. Do not forget your personal belongings, watch your head and your step as you exit the tram by the driver's right-hand side only. Have a nice time at Busch Gardens, and we will see you later this afternoon.
See, friends?
Come back. Have a great time at Busch Gardens.
We're here, we made it. Okay. Cheetah hunt. Woo. And we're greeted by Disney music. Or Indiana Jones-like music. Huh.